Hey guys, well, welcome back to the video, guys. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to become a delivery driver in the UK. Okay, this is a very flexible way to earn money while you're setting up your own schedule. So I just want to, just follow these steps, and I'm going to be showing you how to join the Deliveroo network and start delivering. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, guys, you want to visit the Deliveroo sign up page. Okay. So you go here on the Delivery's official website, or you can also download, the Delivery Rider app on your mobile device. You just want to tap on a sign up to ride to begin the application process. And of course, here, guys, you're going to have to enter your personal details. You'll have to provide your name, your email, your phone number, and the city where you actually plan to deliver. And of course, guys, you need to create a secure password for your account, and they're going to ask you to choose a delivery vehicle. So you have to select the type of vehicle you use for deliveries. So Deliveroo supports bicycles, scooters, and cars in most UK cities. And they're going to, of course, ask you to submit required documents. So you'll need to upload a clear, valid copies of, your driver's license. If you're using a car or scooter, you'll have to provide insurance if that is applicable. And you have to also there's going to be a right to work document such as a passport or biometric residence card. You have to provide that as well, so they know that you can actually work in that country. And of course, guys, they're going to be doing a background check on you, so you'll have to complete a background check. Delivery conducts a background check to ensure basically the safety of customers and the drivers. So you're going to have to provide consent and necessary details for the screening. And if you're required to do this, guys, some locations may actually require you to attend, a short onboarding session, either online or in person, to basically familiarize yourself with a platform so you can go ahead and attend to that. And of course, guys, you will be receiving, your equipment. So delivery will send you delivery gear, including an insulated bag to get you started. And you can also opt to use your own equipment as long as it meets their standards. Of course, guys, and then you'll have to set up the payment information. So you need to add your bank account details to receive weekly earnings. And then basically, guys, you can start using the Rider app after this. And now you have to download the Deliveroo Rider app. Okay, and then just log into the app, set up your availability, and start accepting delivery requests. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. And also, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.